At Trump University, we teach success. That's what it's all about, success. It's going to happen to you.
Former students say Trump University was a scam, costing up to $35,000 for an unlicensed illegal school that offered no actual degrees. Now accused of intentionally misleading thousands of students, Trump is facing massive lawsuits for fraud and what one state attorney general calls fraudulent, illegal, and deceptive conduct. Complaints allege Trump lured students with free seminars. Then instructors pressured students to take additional classes, even though Trump touted his so-called professors.
These are all people that are hand-picked by me.
The truth about Trump University? Donald Trump made millions, while hardworking Americans got scammed. Donald Trump belongs in 3 a.m. infomercials, not here. Learn more at TrumpQuestions.com. Our Principals PAC is responsible for the content of this advertising.